Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare BHUNA khichuri. So let's begin. At first, take a big pan and add 4 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon 5 Indian spices or pachforon, 2 red chilies, 3 to 4 bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Now stir it. Now take a bowl, add 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder. Now add half cup water and mix them. Then add the spices into the pan. Now add 1 tomato, Now cover the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now open the cover and add 500 grams yellow lentils. Mix it really well. Now add 3 green chilies. Add some cashew nuts and raisins and mix them. Now add 500 grams Govindo Bhog rice. Mix them really well. Add about 4 cup water. Then add 2.5 teaspoons salt and mix it. Add 3 teaspoon ginger paste and mix it. Now cover the pan for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now open the cover and add 3 teaspoons sugar. Mix it. Again, cover the pan for 5 minutes or so. Now open the cover. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and add some ghee and add some coriander leaves. And our delicious BHUNA khichuri is ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.